Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update. And looks like everyone's using their heat today. We have quite a cold day out there as we finish off January. We do have some updated information I want to share with you relating to vaccinations, and I know that's what's mostly on people's mind right now. So I'd like to go over with you some stats, some information. As I mentioned the other day, we are putting together a vaccination clinic in coordination with Manet Community Health. We are partnering as a city with Manet Health, and as the vaccinations come to our city, they'll be channeled through Manet Health, which will oversee the medical side of the operation. Now, what we're doing is setting up a site at our Emergency Operations Center as a call center. And starting Tuesday at 9 a.m., you can call 617-376-1470 to set up a time and appointment to get vaccinated with Manet Health. So we are putting together the city, the call center, to help Manet coordinate and facilitate these appointments. Now, we also have a website, www.quincyma.gov. You can also go to that. Both the number and the website would be after Tuesday at 9 o'clock is when we'll be starting this program. Now, please be patient, because as you know, if you've been following the news, it's not so much getting the vaccinations in the arm, it's getting the vaccinations in hand to distribute them. And they come from the federal government to the state, and then they're distributed to municipalities throughout the Commonwealth. So as we get our allotments, we'll be taking care of people. This first group is 75 years and older. So unless you're 75 or older, please do not call at this time. This is part of the phasing that's going on right now. This is the beginning of phase 2. 75 years and older. So please call that number, 617-376-1470. Now, if you need Chinese language assistance, we have a separate number, and that is 617-376-1298, and people will help you through the language service to set up that appointment. Now, I know that there's folks that are already dealing with their primary care physician, and you should do that. I know there's some folks that may have already lined up a shot with one of the pharmacies, and that's great. And there'll be other state sites around the Commonwealth that they're going to be offering this as well. But we in Quincy, the city of 90,000, we felt, almost 100,000, we felt we ought to be doing our own site. The site location is going to be the same location where we've been doing the testing, and that is 180 Old Colony Avenue behind the Central Middle School, the future Richard DeCristofaro Learning Center. It's great space. We're going to be able to accommodate a lot of folks at that location. Again, as the vaccines come to us, we're going to be able to get them out to you. So please be patient. The call center will be manned by, I believe, about 10 people. It's being overseen by our Emergency Management Director, Ali Sleeman, and they'll be able to book you an appointment with Manet Health to go to 180 Colony Avenue and receive your vaccination in the coming weeks. I think as the weeks progress, I think there'll be more robust vaccines coming to the city. So hopefully by the time we get to springtime, everyone will be vaccinated, the weather will be improving, and we'll be going in a better place. Speaking of weather, we're looking at a major snowstorm perhaps Monday and Tuesday. That could have a little disruption on some of the things we're talking about, but again, be patient. And please, those of you out there, follow the rules on the snow guidelines along our main route. So with that, again, that's the phone number. It'll be up on the screen. The website's on the screen. We thank you for tuning in. God bless.